ginagawa mo?
Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm gonna show you the clothes haul that we got from our recent trip from the US. It's a combination of gifts. Actually, it's like 85% gifts because it was Christmas and because my mom and my aunts and all my other relatives gave us these clothes. So probably 15% of these were the only ones that we really bought. So we just limited it to the ones that we really needed or liked. So this one is a Michael Kors shirt from my uncle, and it was given to my husband. I'll just quickly run through it all. This one is like a nice pair of pants. I actually am not a fan of the design, but it was given by my mom. I think it's just like normal brand there, but it's really nice. The material is really nice, so I can figure out where to use it. And then this one is a set of blouse. It's like knitted blouse from Sincerely Jules, and pants. I like the color. These were given by my mom to my daughter, so it's like a bit of a crop top shirt. This one is a shirt. I think it was given by my mom, but she said like oh no, I think this is it? I forgot. Yeah, I think it was given by my mom. It's Zara. Surprisingly, it's Zara girls, but it can fit me. It's for 13 to 14 years old. This one is a bit weird. How do I find a reason to wear this? I'll probably find one in the future. This one is from J. Crew. It was given as a gift as well. Shining, shimmering, splendid. This one has a blouse inside. I don't know where it is. So this one is a dress with the blouse inside for my daughter. It was given as a Christmas gift by my cousin. These are, I don't even know what they're called, but like she should have used them when she was there because they were for winter. They're like pants, I don't know, tights, leggings. This one is from my mom. It was given to her, but then she said it's too like young looking. So yeah, and very cheap, $18. Almost famous brand, so I think that will be for my daughter. This one is an Aeropostale shirt, very cheap. I think we got it for like less than $10 because it's like 26 for 3 or something. I forgot, something like that. So this is for my daughter. We just bought it from the store. We actually wanted to wear it for New Year, but she found another one that is like a New York Jets shirt, which is also red. This one is a nice blouse. It's 3/4. It was given by my daughter, by mom. It was given to her, but then she said she doesn't really have much use of it, so she gave it to me, and I can wear it for in the office. This is a long sleeves shirt, vineyard vines. Cute design. And then behind is like that, 2025. So this is for my husband. It was given by my cousin as a Christmas present. Same with this, an Under Armour shirt with the matching cap over there. This one, nice. And another gift. Oh, this one is from my other cousin. It's a Hurley hoodie. Nice also. The material is very nice. It was given as a Christmas present as well, together with this same brand, but this one is polo. So it's really a nice touch actually. She gave him both an informal one and a semi-formal one, and then this one is another pants that is similar to what I showed you a while ago for winter. Hopefully she finds some reason to use it in the future. This one is just a simple Gap shirt. I got this on sale. See how much it is. Then this one is a blouse from my mom. Yeah, I'll have to find a reason to wear this as well. Put on a cardigan or something. This one I really like. It's a set of Puma outfit. It will be a bit funny for me to work out in this outfit, but yeah. See? So nice. Together with the pants. Oh, this one. Oh, is this? No, this one is not the shirt. And then, see? I don't know if I'll ever find a reason or a way to wear this in the future. I mean, the three of them together. It look like I'm straight out of a TV commercial or something. This is a Gap polo shirt as well. This one is also cheap. Oh, okay, I don't have the price, but I know it's like less than $20. This one is together with the green Under Armour shirt. So my cousin gave him two shirts. I'll have to find the match of this. Oh, this one. This one, my mom said, is for my daughter to wear for swimwear. See, cute one. She already tried it on. It's nice as well. Another pair of pants, but I think this one can be worn as, I don't know if it can be worn for workout. I think so. Yeah, I think so. So I have more reason to work out more. And this is another blouse, which is really nice. You see the accent here. It's Banana Republic. Oh, the price is still there. I don't know if it got mixed up already. I think it was a gift as well for me. This one is from my mom. She gave it to me and my daughter, so it depends who will fit inside it. This is a catch from my daughter. She bought it at Marshall's. Super small, but it's just $10, and she really liked the fit on her as well. She really liked the dress itself. And this one is another knitted blouse. This one, oh, I think it's for a beachwear or something. It was given to my mom and then she passed it on to us. Another bargain shirt that we were able to find. It's an Old Navy shirt. You see how much it is? $6. And this one is, I don't even know how she'll wear this, but it's something that she can, like, it's an innerwear that she can wear. It's from my mom. This one as well is from my mom. I tried it on. I already tried it on. It looks nice, but not for work. This one is another polo shirt, but it's from CK, Calvin Klein. It's $25. This one is that's for my husband. I got it from my husband. This one is a Tommy Hilfiger polo shirt. The original price is $60, but I think I got it for $20. Very cheap as well. And this one is a Champion shirt. I don't know where I got. This was given as a gift. I think so. Yeah, this was given as a gift by one of my cousins also. And I think this is the shirt that goes inside the dress that I showed you a while ago. It's cute. Live to be spoiled. And this is another dress, a Calvin Klein dress that was given by my cousin to my daughter. It has a nice belt here with pockets on the side. And then this is like a very long pants from my mom. I'll have to find reasons and ways to wear them. And this I like so much because I don't have this brand. This was given as a gift by my cousin, my very generous cousin. very fortunate to have her. And this is another shirt that I got from my husband, CK as well. Got it for $17, very cheap and a very nice one. And another pair of pants from my mom, similar to the previous ones, but very colorful. This one as well, but this one is a bit of a different texture. It's like a beachwear or something. Oh, this one my daughter got it as well from the same, is it from the same shop? I think so. It's a dress. I think it's like $10 again. So she's very lucky that she has slim body. She can actually fit in all of these. This is another blouse from my mom. Very loud color, I think, but I'll find a way as well to wear it. This one, I don't know how to wear, but maybe again for a beach. This one as well. See, I don't know why she has a lot of these in her. See, another one of that, but this one I think is more possible to wear. And this is similar to the other swimwear. I need to find the partner in this. This is another pair of pants. I think this is J. Crew. Has a really nice satin texture. I'll have to figure out. I'm not much of a I'm not very experimental when it comes to clothes, but I'll find a way to wear it. This is from my cousin, Wheel of Fortune. So nice, right? So this is another pair of pants. Same texture, material, very thin, very comfortable. This is another pair of shirt. No, not pair. This is another shirt that I got. See, Michael Kors. I think I got it for like, see, $17. These are gifts from my husband's cousin who lives in Florida. So she gave us 3 different shirts, souvenir shirts from Florida. Oh, these we got with the pants. You see, Kenneth Cole. I think this is $25 if I'm not mistaken. And another pair of pants for my daughter. This one, I don't know what brand is this, but it's just $15. And she wanted to get black or gray pants, so this was a dream come true. This is another pick from her. She liked this one. Very Gen Z, I think. This is a bit expensive actually compared to the branded ones that we got. This one is also pants, but stretchy, not like the silky one. Very soft and comfy as well. And oh, this is mine. See, a pair of jeans similar to the color of my daughter's. See how much? $9. It's very easy to find because I'll just find like the size amongst the many pants. And this one, I don't even know how, if it's a blouse or a dress. And these are dry fit shirts that we can use. These are from Bench, not from the US, from the Philippines. These were also given to us as gifts by my brother-in-law and by my sister-in-law. Oh, lastly? Not lastly. Another pair of workout pants from Adidas. Really nice. Probably telling me to work out more. 3 tank tops for my daughter. And I think this one is, I don't know. I have to figure it out. Let me quickly open. But I figured she could have used this while we were there during winter. Oh, okay. It's a pair of, similar to the green one that my daughter had. It's a pair of pants. A shirt. Really nice. See? See, that has been 15 minutes of opening up all this. and showing you all these shirts, pants, and whatever. So that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye!
Ginagawa mo